Yes.
Siguro marami na tanong sa'yo, pero kamusta ang yung bagong role as coach of ng Magnolia?
Eto, wala na akong boses. Well, so far, no, honestly, I'm enjoying my time. No, as much as the team is learning now the new system, the new culture of the team, mas natututo ako sa kanila. No, I have a lot of things na, learnings every day. No, aside from me teaching the boys, teaching this team, mas every time I teach them, mas may natututunan pa ako. So I don't know, I'm just enjoying my time right now. No, I don't want to think about what's gonna happen next, what's gonna happen this coming opening or this season. I just like what I'm seeing right now sa team namin, with the composition of vets and young players sa team namin ngayon. I like what I'm seeing every day. They really work hard. They work every day. They work hard every day. I don't have any problem with that, and I really appreciate my team doing the things na pinapagawa ko sa kanila every day. Whether they're vets or the young players, they're willing to learn. Even my oldest player, Mike Baroka, he has a lot of questions. He still wants to learn. So if your vet is like that, I think we're in a good situation. We're gonna be in a good position. So yun lang. And so far yun naman. Again, I'm just enjoying my time.
Coach, without going into detail, paano ba yung sistema mo? Kasi for the last, yung under Coach Chito, medyo more on defensive sila, grind out games. So paano yung implement dito?
Well, definitely, defensively, wala naman ako kailangan baguhin sa kanila. Kasi they're actually this team is always on probably top 3 defensive team, no? So naturally, they're all defenders. It's just a matter of how we put in together the new system na binibigay ko sa kanila. But overall, wala na ako masyadong binago with that. Kasi defense is all about just effort. And I think this team is naturally parang kung magbigay ng effort, kahit in practice, they practice like they're in the game. Sometimes I have to pull them kasi sobra na eh. Alam mo yun? So ako pa yung nagpo-pull sa kanila. So, but, system-wise, so far so good. But I'm not saying na we're gonna be good right away. I always tell the team that I'm not expecting us to be good right away. I just want them to take every game or every step lang tayo, like baby steps, because again, they're learning my system at the same time I'm learning also as a coach. So we cannot hurry. Hindi namin kailangan madaliin lahat. We still have time. We have a long conference or probably long season. And if we can go through this All Filipino with a good standing, why not? But again, I'm not pressuring my team to be great right away. I just want them to be competitive ready and game ready sa start of the conference. Yun lang. And then from there, we build. Kasi I cannot pressure them right away. We have to be good right away. We have to win. We have to beat this team. No, we just have to get better every day, and then I think the win will follow. Ayun yung mentality ko. As a player also, I was like that. I don't pressure myself, or I don't pressure myself to perform right away. We just have to be in the right position coming into the playoffs, and then let's see what will happen. Yun lang. We just have to be picking in the right time. So yun lang yung ramdam ko sa mga players. So the pressure also is not, hindi masyadong mabigat for them, diba? So hopefully, diba, the result will be okay. But again, no expectations from now. For now, no expectations coming from me sa mga players.
I think mga former coaches po, meron kami influence sa coaches kayo.
Yes, definitely. One of the biggest help na meron sa akin talaga was, well, definitely Coach Tim, di ba? All my championship was under Coach Tim. So definitely, how he coach, how he handles the team, probably, pulot-pulot ako doon kung ano pwede ko magawa. No, I always remember, because sometimes I take down notes na kasi before pa eh. Even for the national team before under Coach Chot, when we went to different countries to compete, sometimes may nakakilala kami mga coaches. Sometimes I take down notes, so nababalikan ko. So yun, but overall it's Coach Tim, and I think also I can mention also Coach Richard, because he's been so far he's been mentoring me from Batang Gilas, and then here, dito now sa PBA, even though we're in a different team right now, I still ask questions kasi yung ginagawa namin sa Batang Gilas, basically, yun din yung gusto ko ipagawa dito, di ba? So, so yun, yun yung mga coaches na, but definitely yes, like Coach Norman system, defensive system ni Coach Norman and Coach Tim, di ba? Coach Chot, how he handles the team, to be in one page, that's Coach Chot, kasi very good at that. So madami siguro blessing din talaga na nagkaroon ako ng maraming coaches. And then now Coach Juno is with me. He's my first assistant, and he was my coach before in Ginebra for one conference, if you guys remember. The time that Ginebra has had every conference changing of coach, isa si Coach Juno doon. So now Coach Juno is the one helping me. So yun, so nagtutugma-tugma, and hopefully sa nangyayari ngayon, again magtugma-tugma, and then magkaroon ng magandang result. Again, whatever it is, again in the end naman, it's not me who should get all the credits eh. Diba? I'm doing this for in the end of the day for the players. So I know I've been on the other side also, I've been in the playing side also, and now in coaching, now I see the difference. Nakikita ko, but ang mga nakikita ko, it's more on positive side eh. So yun yung mga nakikita ko, instead of hindi pala ganito yung call, no, it's more on the positive side eh, na nadadala ko sa coaching nung naglalaro ako.
Coach, wala na bang pag-asa maglaro ka? Sa kondisyon ka pa eh.
Kanina, sumali ako sa practice. Tanungin doon sa mga bata kung anong ginawa ko sa kanila. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, joke lang. From time to time, I'm joining, sumasali ako ng practice. We never know. I'm part of the lineup. I think I'm part of the injury list. So, yeah. So, we'll see kung it depends on the management, no? But for now, I'm not focused on that. But my rights is with Magnolia now. I saw the final lineup that we submitted the other day, and I was in the injury list. So I have a chance. So my chance. But we'll see. Again, it's a hard. Basically, it's gonna be a hard decision for me also, because siyempre nagko-coach ako at the same time naglalaro. I think there's only one person can only do that, and it's Coach Sunny. Siyempre high respect tayo dyan. Now, magagawa ko then, diba? Why not? We'll see.
So nakalista kang playing coach?
Playing coach and injury list. So, ang dami kong role eh. Ang dami kong role. Kailangan yata, diba? Ang dami kong role. But, I'm happy because every time it's better also. That's why I mentioned a while ago that on the side of the playing at the same time coaching, every time I join practice, tingin ko maganda may nangyayari because mas nakikita nila ko ano yung mga gusto kong ituro sa kanila, gusto kong pagawa sa kanila. Mas nakikita nila na nakikita nila na nagagawa ko in real time. You know, not only just teaching and telling them what to do. I think malaking bagay na nakikita nila. Just like kanina, I joined the full practice kanina. First time. So, I'm expecting that I'm gonna be sore tomorrow because hirap. But I like what I saw a while ago. I like what I saw a while ago in practice. We're progressing. I think kung yun ang tatanong sa akin, our team is progressing. Every day we're getting better. The young players, our new players are adopting the system right away. So, and I don't have any problem with my team. No, they've been together for so long, and I think the teamwork is not gonna be an issue. So, yun.
Ilan na shoot mo kanina?
Ilan na shoot? Hindi ko alam eh. Ang dami. Hindi ko nabilang eh. Hindi, joke. Hindi, joke. So, yun lang. I mean, from time to time, ginagawa ko yun. So, but I just want to be ready. Baka minsan sabihin. We never know what's gonna happen. Jody Vance yan, nakabalik eh. Diba? So, there's a lot of chance. Hindi pa naman mag-retire. I didn't mention naman dun, hindi ko naman minention na nag-retire ako eh. Diba? This is a statement ko. I just said, my piece, playing under Ginebra. So, yun lang naman. Diba? Okay.